The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
khynnah yalehke ke West Jaiñtia Karate Do Association WJHKA Jawai ki wami khmat ya ke district ha ka 31st State Tournament Championship ke wadaman ha shalong na do ka arpaule ha do ka arpau santri uni banai de ye ki ura nam ra borom ya ke district de wa yo chibon ki medal kani to ka tournament ka wapai wa palai de ko all Meghalaya Karate Do Association we ka West Jaiñtia Karate Do Association Jawai to ka sin wanongkong wami ichimbenta ko hadin wada pangkai imbiang ya gani ke yalehke house name arhaja arpauso ki bor pelai ke West Jaiñtia Karate Do Association Jawai wakentup yau alan yang ti presiden de lang ui man bah kenjing sekretari dap ki des ngau sorong wo yo wa ki khynnah wa mi khmat ya ke district mg ke te mensin yale wa ka sap wat haperdi ipor wa tebian wo yo alat ki ucha asikai hei pa ye yo ki instructor wakentup ya una o man ki wi war pasa uribet o pede wa opi charmang ki khynnah ki wa de yo ra nam ra borom ya ke district ha ke ni ke 31st State Tournament Championship to o esarot mi sumer wo chwami perbot ki wada yo gold medal naite u esarot mi sumer u pusai mi i kindia u kerda u perbot wa uram kenjin ki wada yo silver medal katwa ki wa yo bronze medal wanta usame wa i pakma u pusai mi i kindia u kerda u perbon usaha mi shela utule wan chalam u chwami perbot u e1 daki lalu u hame desa perbot uda uru langstang kanapi i da saki pakenteng ka i ka itlang pakenteng ka samha i mang sutong kasuha kanidkar kalasa bay lakyang wa ka manisha chaudhry Neliong alan yang ti kamu presiden hajrong iyi ki khynnah ora nam ra borom dap ude singau sorong we pen singau le singau we singau borom wa khro ye ki man bei man pa ki wad penchlur ye ki khon yong ki yo embenta ki wa ka association kat wa neliang wan uribet o pede khut kentu kursu ye ki man bei man pa wa e mensin penchlur ye ki khon ki ti yong ki wo ye embenta ha ni ka ja yalehke ka wa e chibon i mentoy ye ki khynnah nei benta wo yo ye chai i khia haido i pran we thi i perkhan wa chai wa khlan
Hey, to organic 31st Interstate Tournament Karate Tournament Championships. Southman do kata instructor yang di school yang ke West Jaiñtia Karate Do Association. Southman ni do kata wa khynnah yang utilize cinta manra ki cingjau. Yo ekam wa lately ki gold, sandali ki silver, then the kat pratali ki bronze medal. Southman do kata ikublai le yo sar kevi wada chimpti u kai pai khynnah nando system limit yo ye jingjang ta hei to wa ni kajingwan ni la ke khynnah ha ni school yang i punyo ka ki khynnah yo ki discipline kam ta kerpa ye ki bai ki pa ki khynnah ki wa em ta ga mase no ku ki khon yang ki kerpa ri wo pachulur o ila ki khon yang ki wan ni la ki kam chi ni ke tinja exercise ku yo exercise ki khynnah pun mun toy e do pa yang ki pun mun toy la e thi ni perkha
Ngan iliang ke West Jaiñtia Karate Do Association i kublaya i khynnah ko lai chumata ha ni ka kini ke state tournament bo mar chlo kam chu lai ki bai pa go chlo ri kon gyong ki wai wa kini kanti to bon gi medal yo gi kini to ka sin gun kong ni khna abdi chimenta gi adin wa chpha khasas nem em de lai chimentai dan nado wadami khasan arphas nem chwa news nem to dia wi lai chimenta biang bon gi khna yang i go yo ki medal tengah niliang i kublai i bai pa wa i ki kon yang ki wa pechlur gi yulti wa i ne ke district bon gi khna ki wa bon ki wa em talent yulti wa lembaga ni ka ki tournament ki wa bon yo wi chimenta wi wan ra chi bon gi khna o ku mat ai liang ka karte kampus sport tengah niliang kete pa i kublai